tonight and tomorrow. There you see the forecast continues to be a mid-grade tropical storm. Tropical storm warnings up in eastern parts of South Carolina, Georgia, as well as North Carolina into the Sounds and also into the Outer Banks. We are still getting some pretty strong wind gusts in some areas. Winds gusting now into the upper 30s there in interior parts of South Carolina. But the important part is that onshore flow that has been driving water into the coast. And you look at these water level rises here in Charleston, now 3.2 feet over normally dry ground. That is a top 5 water level rise in Charleston, and 3.1 feet at Springmaid Pier. That is near Myrtle Beach. And so we have had some significant coastal flooding already. Edisto getting up to around the 2200 block. We've seen some serious flooding there and numerous road closures in downtown Charleston. So an ongoing concern for storm surge flooding here along the coast. There you see greater than 3 feet along the South Carolina coast, Savannah up into Beaufort, Hunting Island, Harbor Island, there into Charleston as well. And then farther up the coast, then 1 to 3 feet is the forecast for Myrtle Beach and also for Wilmington. So we continue to have very serious issues with storm surge flooding along the coast here, but also issues with inland flooding. We want to get back out to Alex Wallace. And Alex, it's really something how that rain can come down in a tropical cyclone. I'm sure the rainfall rates have been very impressive where you've been.
Yeah, Carl, that's the thing, right? You know, throughout the day, there's rain here and there, and then all of a sudden, boom, you get hit with a big, big burst of very, very heavy rain, and it can add up very, very quickly. In fact, I'm at an intersection right here that has filled up with water. We got a van that is now about to walk in and go through it to show you exactly how deep that is right now, and it's been much deeper than that. So it's actually come down a little bit, but it is still covering this intersection here, and so you got to be really, really careful coming through this area, or you're ending up splashing a whole lot of water all over the place. And this one is sort of notorious spots for picking up rain here in Santee, South Carolina. But
not too much longer to go, Alex. It looks like you're going to be probably wrapping up before too long here. We'll get back out to Alex in just a little bit. There's a broader view of what's happening on the radar, and see this large shield of rain here as moisture is now driving in from the Atlantic Ocean and coming into an area where there's some lift in the atmosphere. So that's why you see the sort of maximum area of rain right there as we get rain, the moisture coming up along a slope there, and that causes that maximum lift there. So just to the northwest of Charleston, there are several flash flood warnings now in effect. Bamberg and Calhoun and Orangeburg counties under warning until 9:30. Then another warning off the north here, and this is where Alex is. This is also Calhoun and Clarendon and Orangeburg. Then near Alex, that's Clarendon and Lee and Sumter counties under warning until 10:30. And again, that is where Alex is, right in there, that area. Then as we go farther east, Georgetown, Horry, and Marion counties under warning until 11 p.m. So this is the type of thing that we're going to see a lot more of as we go through the night tonight. Now, I also want you to notice where we've got these individual cells that are offshore here, and they have a little bit of a point on the southwest side. So those cells are now showing some rotation, which is not at all surprising because we have winds that are coming out of the east at the surface and winds that are coming out of the south at about 5,000 feet